Yeah, so I think that the idea of being able to kind of have everything under one roof, right, was certainly appealing. In an era where you need a million accounts for everything, something for this, something for this, something for this. So it's certainly nice on our end and very convenient to have, the cams and the GPS under one app, one point of contact through you guys, all of that stuff. So when we were discussing adding the cameras, you guys were the natural first choice for us to reach out to. And I'm so glad that we did. But I think that we kind of just decided, it just was time, right? I mean, in 2025, it's the best way you can protect yourself and your assets and your people, so I think that was kind of the biggest thing. And the reality is, it's not only just capturing footage of what the truck is doing on the road, right? It's also giving us the ability to, if God forbid something happens, we now have potentially some footage on our job sites that we otherwise would likely not have. So that's just added assurance for us too. It just there's potential insurance costs, so all kind of benefits, and we just felt that we were ready and that our drivers were ready. So yeah, it just felt like the right time.